Did you know that over 44 million Americans earn extra income through side hustles? That's nearly 1 in 3 adults who are using their spare time to make additional money. Whether it's freelancing, investing, or starting small businesses, side hustles have become a powerful way for people to boost their income and financial security. Welcome to the video. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful side hustles that can help you make $100 a day or more. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for something special, or just gain more financial freedom, these side hustles are a great way to get started. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have plenty of options to start boosting your income and take control of your financial future. One of the biggest challenges people face in today's economy is finding ways to make extra money. The cost of living continues to rise, from rent and groceries to healthcare and education, but wages don't always keep up. Many people feel the pressure of trying to balance their financial needs with their personal goals, like saving for a house, paying off debt, or planning for the future. In this environment, relying on a single source of income can feel limiting. That's where side hustles come in. They offer a solution by providing flexible ways to earn extra money without quitting your day job. Whether it's freelancing, starting a small online business, or leveraging the gig economy, side hustles give you the chance to gain financial freedom and create additional streams of income that can make a real difference. The key is finding the right side hustle that fits your skills, interests, and schedule. 1. Freelance writing. Writing articles, blogs, or web content for businesses and websites. Potential earnings, $50 to $300 per article, depending on your niche and expertise. How to start? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or direct outreach to websites looking for writers. 2. Online tutoring. Teaching subjects you're skilled in, from academics to languages. Potential earnings, $20 to $60 per hour, depending on your subject and expertise. How to start? Sign up on tutoring platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Wizant. 3. Graphic design. Designing logos, business cards, websites, and marketing materials. Potential earnings, $50 to $500 plus per project, depending on the complexity. How to start? Create the portfolio and offer your services on platforms like 99 Designs or Fiverr. 4. Ride-sharing or delivery driving. Driving for companies like Uber and Lyft and DoorDash or Instacart. Potential earnings, $15 to $30 per hour, plus tips. How to start? Apply through the rideshare or delivery app and meet the requirements. 5. Virtual assistant. Assisting businesses or entrepreneurs with tasks like email management, scheduling, or social media. Potential earnings, $15 to $40 per hour. How to start? Promote your services on job boards like Upwork or Zirtual, or reach out to business owners directly. 6. Selling digital products. Creating ebooks, templates, printables, or courses to sell online. Potential earnings, $50 to $500 plus per month, depending on sales volume. How to start? Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website to sell your products. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on sales. Potential earnings, $100 to $500 plus per month, depending on the product and your audience. How to start? Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or individual company programs. 8. Dropshipping. Selling products online without holding inventory. The supplier ships directly to the customer. Potential earnings, $100 plus per day, depending on product sales. How to start? Set up an online store with platforms like Shopify and source products from suppliers on AliExpress or Oberlo. 9. Social media management. Managing social media accounts, creating content, and growing followers for businesses. Potential earnings, $15 to $75 per hour or a monthly retainer. How to start? Build a portfolio and offer your services to small businesses or on platforms like Upwork, 10. Photography or videography. Taking photos or videos for events, businesses, or stock photography sites. Potential earnings: $50 to $300 per session or through selling stock photos. How to start. Create a portfolio, promote your services locally or online, and sell photos through platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. While all of these side hustles offer great potential, dropshipping and affiliate marketing stand out as particularly lucrative opportunities with the potential to scale into full-time businesses. Take, for instance, Sarah, who started her dropshipping store selling home decor products. She didn't need to worry about holding inventory or handling shipping. In her first month, she made a few $100s, but as she refined her marketing strategy and learned more about targeting the right customers, her income skyrocketed. Now, Sarah makes over $5,000 a month from her dropshipping business, all while working from home. Similarly, affiliate marketing has been a game changer for many, like Mark, who started promoting tech gadgets on his blog. By sharing his honest reviews and tips on using these products, he began earning commissions for every sale made through his affiliate links. Within a year, his side hustle was generating over $2,000 a month without having to create any products himself. He simply found the right niche and built trust with his audience. These videos show that with the right strategy and persistence, these side hustles can become highly profitable and even lead to financial freedom. Now that we've gone through these 10 side hustles, I'd love to hear from you. Which side hustle are you most interested in trying? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm excited to see what you choose. And if you're looking for more ways to make extra money or tips on how to succeed with your side hustle, don't forget to check out my other videos. I've got plenty of insights and advice that can help you along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.